In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor CPU usage on Bluehost shared hosting. Monitoring your CPU usage is an essential part of managing your website, ensuring everything runs smoothly without any hiccups. Whether you're running a small blog or a complex e-commerce site, having a handle on your server resources is crucial for optimal performance and cost management. First, you'll need to log in to your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your hosting account. From here, locate the Hosting tab. This tab is your gateway to tracking usage stats, including disk and bandwidth, which are vital indicators of your website's performance and health. Once you're in the hosting section, you'll find a range of important statistics about your website. Here, you can easily check out disk and bandwidth usage. Disk usage tells you how much space your website content is occupying on the server, while bandwidth usage indicates the amount of data being transferred. Both elements are crucial, especially if your site has heavy traffic or you upload lots of media files. It provides a quick glance at how much data you're sending and storing, allowing you to manage your resources efficiently. However, if you require more detailed insights, especially regarding your CPU usage, you'll need to delve into cPanel. You'll locate this option within the hosting section, usually among other advanced settings. Click on it, and it will open up a more comprehensive toolkit for managing your hosting environment. cPanel is a powerful platform that Bluehost offers, granting you deeper control and visibility over your website. Within cPanel, look for a section called Metrics or Statistics, which might be named differently depending on updates or interface changes. But don't worry, it's typically straightforward to find. Inside this section, you should see an option labeled Resource Usage, or another similarly titled tool. This is where the magic happens when it comes to monitoring your CPU and other critical server resources. When you click on it, you'll be presented with a detailed breakdown of your CPU usage. This report will display various metrics, like resource limits, usage patterns, and any spikes that could indicate a problem or possible issues looming. If your CPU usage is frequently high, you may want to consider optimizing your website. This can include things like compressing images, using caching strategies, or possibly upgrading to a higher-tier hosting plan. Each of these actions can help manage your site's resources more effectively and keep your server running efficiently under heavier loads. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive way to monitor CPU usage on Bluehost shared hosting. Regularly checking these metrics ensures your website stays healthy, reliable, and performs at its best. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your hosting and achieving peak website performance.